Hello guys, welcome to Sawmill Creek. Yeah, we're here. Sawmill Creek, we are here for the Greater Ohio Coaster Club Christmas party. I can't wait to check out everything they've done to this resort because it's been years and years and years since we've been here. You guys should come join us, won't you? Lincoln's excited. We made it here and it looks awesome. Now I don't exactly know where I'm going, so we're just going to go in and walk around until we find it. What? Yeah, we got to find Mary Jo and Billy. I just don't know. I don't know if they're in a convention center over here. I just have no clue. So we're just going to roam around until we find them and check stuff out while we're at it. We're actually staying here most of the evening because they do a lot of cool stuff in the evening here too. But I love what they did with the place already. It already looks more modern, but still old, if that makes sense. So after hunting, we found our party location. We went to the party, we had a good time. Didn't show any of it for multiple reasons. One, because you can't record any of the presentations or anything like that. And two, it was a private party. So now we're walking around, we're going to hang out, check things out, and watch some of the shows they do here at Sawmill Creek in the wintertime. I can't wait. Love the tree. Like, all the decorations around here are awesome. I love them.
I can't, my hands are full.
Checking out the tree. You want hot chocolate? I suppose. Fireplaces, Lincolns. So nice. Well, isn't this pretty? Lights everywhere. It is starting to rain. However, that's okay. Ooh, there's something out there too we'll have to check out later. We done watching the carolers. Really good. Super hard to hear though. Very hard to hear. It was a lot of people there. It's right by the swimming pool. Very active place. Kind of hard to hear the carolers. So I don't know if they'll actually end up being able to hear it in the video or not. We'll see. We'll find out. But we're gonna go back in. There's a little show to watch. And one or two other things maybe. Not a ton, but still a cute little event if you're staying here for Christmas. Lincoln is helping Candy, the elf, hide. Gosh, I forget his name. Lincoln. Think it's good. Uh-oh. Gotta be nice to Randy the elf. He's watching you. No, they don't. Next show is starting in a minute. Can't wait. He loves the music.
To 3 holiday harmoniers who are sure to make it on your nice list. The Sawmill Mistletoe.
Or poor, he loves you just the same. Sleigh bells ringing, jingle, jangle, oh what a beautiful sight. Fill your hearts with Christmas cheer, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight. Do 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 do. Da 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 da. What is Santa bringing? I wonder whether he'll be swinging everywhere in the land. All the people will be singing la-di-da-di-da, di-hi-di-hey. La-di-da-di-da, di-hi-di-hey. And what is Santa Claus gonna say when he finds everybody swinging? Oh, I do love the holidays.
A glowing warm fireplace.
The soft falling snow.
And
my good friends Brandy and Sherry. Oh, that's weird. I've never met them. And I know everything about you. They're full of holiday spirits.
Oh, speaking of holiday spirits, why don't we keep this singing sleigh ride a moving and kick this next song up a notch? Ting-ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling, what fun to hear the sleigh bells jingle. Ting-ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling, they set your heart a tingle. Ting-ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling, I love to hear our laughter mingle. Ha-ha! Ho-ho! Gliding through the snow. While the merry bells keep ringing, may your every wish come true. It's greater than any gift that comes in a box. What about you, Carol?
An attractive man with a good credit score. And you, Pam? Oh, Peggy. Oh, I don't want much. Being here with friends and family is better than any gift that can come in a box. But if I did have to pick something, It's a marshmallow world in the winter, when the snow comes to cover the ground. It's a time for play, it's a whipped cream day. I wait for it the whole year round. Now those marshmallow clouds being friendly in the arms of the evergreen trees. And the sun is red like a pumpkin head. It's shining so your nose won't freeze. Oh, the world is a snowball, you see how it grows. That's how it goes whenever it snows. The world is a snowball just for a song. So get up and roll it along. Oh, it's a young, yummy world made for sweethearts. Take a walk with your favorite girl. It's a sugar date, what if spring is late. In winter it's a marshmallow world. Bum, 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 bum. Have a holly jolly Christmas, it's the best time of the year. I don't know if there'll be snow, but let's all give a cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, and when you walk down the street, say hello to friends you know and everyone you meet. Go
tonight? Well, I didn't. I don't know who you are or how you got in here. Frankly, it's quite alarming. But it's Christmas time, and you all seem like a decent bunch of people, so welcome. We'll roll with it. Besides, whatever went wrong at a family gathering at Christmas, huh? Now, normally about this time, I'd finally be a nice snooze in my recliner, only to be jolted awake by my lovely wife, Cheryl, with a, "Why don't you go up to bed, dear? Sleep here, sleep there, what does it matter?" But I digress. Say, since I have all you here, why don't you mind if I see your piano? I'm a bit of a musician. Now, some may call me the Bing Crosby of the North. Happy holiday, happy holiday, while the merry bells keep ringing, may your every wish come true. Happy holiday, the boo-boo-boo, happy holiday, while the calendar keep ringing, happy holiday. It's the holiday season, and Santa Claus is coming around. The Christmas snow is white on the ground. When old Santa gets into town, he'll be coming down the chimney down.
Oh, good. Well, normally about this time I'd have to get him up out of the recliner to sleep in a bed like a normal person.
Lincoln, get down.
Well, it is so lovely to have all of you joining us here tonight. Who are they?
I don't know, they just sort of appeared.
Well, ever since we drove our daughter Kim and dropped her off at college, it's been a bit of an empty nest.
Hey, what am I, chocolate?
No, you're, you, the Burl Ives of the North.
Bing Crosby.
Gotcha. Speaking of good old Bing, how about we all sing one of his most memorable tunes?
Dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow.
There we go.
May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. I'm dreaming of a evening little Christmas, right this very minute. Carols in the windows, carols at this minute. Just give me a little Christmas, right this very minute. It hasn't snowed a single floor that's yet to feel we're in a hurry. Climb down the chimney, turn on the brightest string of lights I've ever seen.
Light up the fruitcake.
It's time we hold some tinsel on that evergreen bough. For we've grown a little leaner, grown a little colder, grown a little sadder, grown a little older. Yes, we need
I'll take your hand, you're just like ice.
At least I can pretend that I tried.
That's the sense of
I really can't say that it's cold outside when we finally kiss goodnight. Oh, I hate going out in the sun, but if you really hold me tight,
Hold you tight.
all the way home I'll be warm. Fire slowly, I really should.
I feel still, but outside it's cold.
As long as you don't love me so, I know. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I really should leave.
But maybe freeze out there.
It's snowing so sweet.
Tuck your knees out there.
So don't say a pig, just say goodnight.
My heart yearns, comes the tide.
Yuletide carols being sung by a choir of folks dressed up like Eskimos.
Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe will help to make the season bright.
Tiny tots with their eyes on the glow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. Have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Hey, sing along with us, everyone! Woo! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your king. Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Well, that was fun. Both those shows were really entertaining. I really liked them. In fact, we're going to stay and watch the girls, the Mistletoes, do another performance because Lincoln really loved that show. I'm just walking randomly through a hall of hotel rooms, talking on my phone. Yep, that's happening. But yeah, really great event that they do here. We also need to go outside and check out those lights still. And then I don't know if anything else goes on or not, to be honest. We'll find out. Okay, made it outside looking at the Christmas lights. And it looks like
I don't want to look at the Christmas lights, and you don't look at the Christmas.
you don't want to look at them,
You don't.
but it's the 12 days of Christmas.
No,
Okay, you don't have to look at them. That's perfectly fine.
you don't need.
I don't need to either. But it's 3. Wait, first day of Christmas tree, look at me. Second day of Christmas tree. Third day of Christmas tree. I don't know the song. Oh, and the 4th day's halfway burnt out. Boo. Oh, I know this one. 5 golden rings. 4 calling birds. 3 French hens. That's what those were. Okay, sorry, I got excited over that.
I don't know his name.
What are these? 6 geese a laying? Yep. It's hard doing counting this way.
The window up.
7 swans a swimming.
The window
Okay,
up.
I'll put your window up. Jeez. That's 7 swans a swimming. 8 maids a milking. 8 maids a milking. Oh, they got cows back there too. Moo. Okay, sorry about this. 9 ladies dancing. This is really hard to do counting up. 10 lords a leaping. 'Are you counting? 11 pipers piping. And finally, what is it?
6.
12 drummers drumming. Yay, and I'm not going backwards and doing a song. I'm not. I'm surprised I got this far. But those are really cool. I like them.
4.
Good job, Sawmill.
6.
Well, guys, that is a wrap from Sawmill Creek at Cedar Point. It was a great Coaster Club Christmas party. I have to stop talking. It's a great set of events they have here at Sawmill Creek for Christmas. The shows are awesome. Yeah, even if you don't stay here, I encourage you to come check them out. They do this every year. By the time you see this video, there won't be much time left this year, but they do this every year. Go check it out. But that is a wrap. I have to stop talking, says Lincoln. I also have to drive an hour and a half to 2 hours home. So I'm going to take care of that, and we'll talk to you next time. Remember, smile. It confuses people. Bye, guys.